Getting a blue verification tick on Instagram typically means your account is verified and officially recognized by Instagram. Usually, verification is granted to public figures, celebrities, brands, or businesses. However, some users may want to know how to get verified without paying for it. And here is how to do that. Firstly, meet Instagram's verification criteria. Your account must represent a real person, registered business, or entity. You can only be verified if you are the only notable presence of your name or brand on Instagram, and Instagram does not verify generic accounts. Your profile must be complete with a profile picture, bio, and at least one post. It must also be public. Now, go to the profile on your Instagram, then tap on the three horizontal in the top right corner of your screen. Then in the search address bar, search for the request verification. If you find one, then you can scroll down and look for the request verification. But if you don't find it, then tap on the search address bar and search for the request verification. And tap on it. Now, once you tap on it, you'll have to fill out the form. Enter your account name, category, and submit a valid government issued ID for individuals or business documents for businesses. Then tap Send to submit your verification request. Instagram will review your request and notify you if you have been verified or rejected. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.